The Supreme Court is reaching the end of its term and issuing major rulings again today. ABC's Em Nguyen is at the Supreme Court with the latest.
In a major Supreme Court ruling, the conservative majority ruled against the federal government, saying charging the January 6 rioters with obstructing an official proceeding is improper.
It's not that prosecutors could never charge, storming the Capitol under this provision of law, but there needs to be, again, a connection to the destruction of records and documents, not just, blocking a proceeding.
The ripple effect of a ruling in favor of a protester who allegedly breached the U.S. Capitol on January 6 could be substantial and immediate, impacting dozens of other defendants. It could also affect former President Donald Trump's election interference case led by special counsel Jack Smith, where he faces obstruction charges. At the heart of this Supreme Court case, whether a law created to prevent the destruction of evidence in financial crimes could be used to prosecute those who disrupted the certification of the 2020 election. And in the most significant case dealing with homelessness in 40 years, the High Court sided with an Oregon town's law that bans people from sleeping outdoors despite no available shelters. The conservative majority ruled 6-3, saying measures to fine the homeless does not constitute as cruel and unusual punishment under the 8th Amendment, although it's not yet clear if the town would be able to enforce its anti-camping laws against the homeless. The Supreme Court's term will wrap up on Monday. The biggest case still outstanding, whether Donald Trump can claim absolute immunity for conduct he says were official acts taken while in office. Em Nguyen, ABC News, outside the Supreme Court.